In today's video, I will teach you how to create a tilt shift effect in Gimp. Let's get started. Begin by opening the image that you want to apply the tilt shift effect to. You can do this by going to the File menu and selecting Open, or simply by pressing Ctrl-O on your keyboard. Then navigate to your image file and click Open. Now we're going to enable the Quick Mask. Activate the Quick Mask feature by going to the Select menu and choosing Toggle Quick Mask, or simply press Shift-Q. This will overlay your image with a red color, indicating the areas you'll be working on. Next, select the Gradient tool from the toolbox on the left side of the screen. You can also find it under Tools, Paint Tools, and Gradient. Ensure your foreground and your background colors are set to black and white by pressing the D key on your keyboard. In the tool options, choose the foreground and background to shape bilinear option. Now we're going to apply the gradient. Click and drag the gradient tool from the bottom of your image outwards while holding down the Control key. This action will create the gradient effect. And once done, remove the Quick Mask by pressing Shift-Q again. Now, let's add some blur to create the tilt shift effect. To do this, go to the Filters menu, then select Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. In the dialog box that appears, adjust the blur radius according to your preference. Then click OK to apply the blur. Now we're going to adjust the hue and saturation. To enhance the miniature effect and make the colors pop, adjust the hue and saturation. To do this, go to Colors, then Hue and Saturation, and drag the saturation slider to the right until you're satisfied with the result. Then click OK to apply the changes. And finally, save your project file by going to the File menu and selecting Save. This will allow you to retain all the layers and settings for future edits in Gimp. Remember to export your image in a widely used format like JPEG or PNG if you want to share or use it outside of Gimp. And that's it! You've successfully created a tilt shift effect in Gimp, giving your image a unique miniature look. Experiment with different settings to achieve the desired effect for your photos. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.